In this video I will show you how can you add a public post in your Facebook story. You can see here I have added a public post in my Facebook story. For that reason, for adding a post in your story, you have to simply select one of the post which you want to add it from Facebook, and you have to make sure the post is public. So you can see here this is a public post and this I want to share in my Facebook story. So for adding this post in your Facebook story, you have to simply click here share option. You can see here option share. After clicking here share option, you will can see here this kind of interface. Then you have to simply click here share your story. You can see here your story, and then you have to simply click here your story. After clicking here your story, you will can see here this kind of interface will arrive, and then you have to simply click here share. After clicking here share, this will take some time to progress. After progressing, the video will be added in your Facebook story. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.